Hello. This time I have a Disney's Saturday Afternoon cartoon mystery minis. So this is a case of 12, a box of 12. So 12 boxes. And these are Disney characters from Chip 'n Dale Rescue Rangers, Tailspin, and DuckTales. So these are mystery minis. It is the kind I like where you got 1 in 12, 1 in 24, 1 in 6, and then the rares are 1 in 72. But right off the bat, even if I got no duplicates, we could not get a complete set. There are 15 characters in this set, and the case comes with 12. This is the first I've seen where it's 15 characters and not 12 characters, so I can't get a complete set unless I buy another box. But that's fine. Let's see what we can get. So there's 2 rare ones in this set. So the rare ones is going to be Magic Dispel from DuckTales. And then the other one is Monterey Jack from Rescue Rangers. So, and I like them all. There's nothing particular out of this set that I like. Maybe the Darkwing Duck. I want to make sure we get the Darkwing Duck. So let's see what we got. I'm just bummed that there's 15 characters. It's like, okay, no chance of a complete set there. Alright, the first one we get is, let's see, refresh my mind. I have notes because who is the blue? That is Louie. So Louie is the blue nephew. And he was 1 in 24. I had to look it up. I didn't know the colors of the nephews. I have little notes right here because I don't remember half these names. I knew Darkwing Duck. I know Scrooge McDuck. I know Chip 'n Dale. The other characters I was like, I don't remember. Alright, so this one is Scrooge McDuck. Okay, I'm actually glad I got that one. I do love Scrooge. He is 1 out of 12. So 1 out of 6 would be the more common. Excuse me as I cough. Sorry about that. Alright, third box. Oh, Chip from the Rescue Rangers. Very nice. I don't know if I turned my volume back up. Give me a second as I adjust my volume. Yeah, I think I had it down, so I'm sorry if that first part was a little low. Let's see. I was watching a video, so I hit my volume down. Alright, next box is... this is a big one. Oh, yes! Darkwing Duck! Yay! That's very cool. I like that. I do actually love Chip 'n Dale. I have a lot of Chip 'n Dale memorabilia, so I'm very happy that I got Chip at least. The Chip 'n Dale cartoons growing up were my absolute favorites. Oh, and here we go. Look at that. I brought luck to myself. There's Dale. He's my favorite. He's so goofy. My favorite cartoon is the Christmas one where they're hiding in the Christmas tree. That's the best. Alright, so this one is, my first duplicate. Bummer. That is Chip. That's to be expected. We always get duplicates, but you just hope that you don't. You never know. This is a small one. Hopefully this is one of the nephews. No, it is the little cub. Let's see, let me remember. This is the cub from Tailspin, and his name is Kit Cloud Kicker. What is he holding in his, like a boomerang? I don't know. Honestly, I don't know that I've ever seen Tailspin. I have definitely seen all of the DuckTales, and I have definitely seen all the Rescue Rangers, but I don't remember Tailspin. And the one is, ooh, another nephew. So the green one is Dewey. Alright, so now we just need Huey. Alright, 4 more boxes to go. It would be nice to get a rare one. I haven't got a rare one today. Let's see, this one, oh, okay, this one's good. This one is Launchpad, I think. Yeah, Launchpad McQuack. He is 1 out of 12, so I don't believe we've got a 1 out of 36 yet. We are due for a 1 out of 36. Gadget is a 36, or Baloo is a 36, so hopefully we get one of those. I'm gonna take the box right there. Nope, another duplicate. This is Dell. So, Chip and Dell I've got twice. He's cute though in his little Hawaiian shirt. Alright, 2 more. Fingers crossed that we get something good. Let's see. This is a small one. Hopefully it is Louie, or no, who did I say? Huey. We need Huey. Nope. It is the girl from, what is this one from? She is from DuckTales, and she is, no wait. Yes, DuckTales, Gosselin Mallard. I think that's right. There are 2 little girls. Because there's also Webby Vander Quack. Let me think about this. Nope, this is Gosselin Mallard. Man, that's tough. With 15 characters, there's a lot I didn't get. Okay, last one. And, ooh. This is a taller one. Hopefully this is the Magica. I hope this is Magica. That would be nice. I don't know though. Nope. It's Baloo. But that's good. Baloo I think is 1 out of 36. Yes, he's 1 out of 36. So that's cool. Did not get any of the rare. But I'm happy because I did get Darkwing Duck. I only got 2 duplicates. Chip and Dale were duplicates, and the rest are not. So that's actually pretty cool. So let me grab another box so you can see. So we did not get the rare one, which is Magica Dispel from DuckTales. We did not get Huey. No, I'm sorry. We did not get, yes, Huey, the red one. We did not get Daisy's niece, Webby Vander Quack. Webbigail? That's the niece, right? I don't know what. And then Gadget. We did not get Gadget. And we... Oh, wait. And we did not get Monterey. I don't know. How do I say it? Monterey Jack? Yeah, that's right. Monterey Jack, like the cheese. Is that right? I don't know. So we... There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, there's 15. So we are missing, we don't have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are missing 5. Alright, that's actually pretty good then. I only got 2 duplicates because if you watched my last video, I had 4 duplicates in that case of 12. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.